Today, 14th April, is observed as the 75th National Fire Service Day by the first services across the country. This day is also observed at Martyrs' Day to pay homage to the brave firefighters who sacrificed their lives in the massive fire explosion on 14th April 1944 at Victoria Dock in the Bombay port. We pay our humble homage to the memory of the brave firefighters who laid down their lives in saving lives of others. They serve as beacons of courage and dedication to duty. The National Fire Service Day is followed by Fire Prevention Week from 14th to 20th April. The theme of this year is Fire Prevention is better than firefighting. The risk of fire is one of the greatest threats to mankind. The loss of life or property as a result of fire is a tragedy. Industry, government, and indeed everyone must share the responsibility of protecting the property from the consequences of fire. The devastation to lives and communities that results from fire is all the more tragic because much of it can be prevented. As part of the fire prevention strategy of the department is adopting a four-pronged approach with 4 E's to ensure fire safety. The 4 E's are education, engineering, enforcement, and emergency response. Under education, the department conducts outreach awareness program of dangers of fire and how to respond. Keeping children safe is an important part of fire prevention activities.
Friends, it is very simple to be preaching such things. But let me assure you, the only way we can help ourselves and we can help the citizen at large is being aware of the hazards of fire, aware how to be alert towards fire, aware how to avoid getting engrossed into the fire hazard and be safe. Friends, I feel that if we teach our children how to be aware and fight fire or to avoid fires, we will create citizens in future who will be more informed and who will help in minimizing the damage due to fire.
गोंय मल्लखांब एसोसिएशनाचे 50 पार केल्लो हो ट्रेनिंग ऑफिसर सुद्दां मल्लखांब एक्सरसाइज करू शकता.
That one.